COVID-19 can affect anyone of any age, and it can have a very serious long-term impact on your health. COVID is not a normal flu. If you catch COVID, there is a chance you could suffer from muscle pain, headaches, severe tiredness, and even heart problems that last for many months. Figures show that as many as 1 in 5 people who catch COVID are left with serious long-term health issues. Many of them are younger people. That is why it is so important that everyone follows the Scottish Government guidance to stop the spread of the virus. Wear a face covering, avoid crowded places and do not congregate in groups, clean your hands regularly, keep a 2-meter distance from others, self-isolate and book a test if you have any symptom. The most obvious symptoms of COVID-19 are a continuous cough, a high temperature, a loss of or change in your normal sense of taste and smell. If you have any of the symptoms, you must stay at home and book a test immediately by calling the NHS 24 on 0800 028 2816. You should stay at home and self-isolate until you receive the results of your test. If your test is positive, you and everyone who lives in your household will need to self-isolate for 10 days. If you need to self-isolate and need some support with food or medicine, you can call Parenting Cross Council on 0345 30 11100. Stay safe.